Here's what's happening today. We're going to take these parts to either get sandblasted or hot tanked, which is a fancy word for extreme washing. So valve covers, these are aluminum, and I just want to see if this place will hot tank them so I don't have to do it. Water pump, get that cleaned up. Most of this is slated for sandblasting. So the fan, whatever that thing is, pulleys, the grill grate. These are metal parts. So even though most of the car is fiberglass, that grate is below the windshield. This is the back vents, two little metal pieces, and these are the headlight shrouds. These go, inside. And these are metal, and then of course the air cleaner. I stripped most of this, but you know what? I just like the sandblasting because it gets everything, gets all these little bits, and then the paint will stick to it really well because it'll be slightly pitted. And then the stock headers, these are original. I'm going to try to use them. They're kind of, I don't know, they're a little worse for wear, but we'll see. Water intake manifold, water inlet, and then I'm going to take the heads in to just have them serviced and cleaned up. So that's what's on the slate for today. It's hot, but I'm looking forward to getting all this back nice and clean.